Now, suppose that you don't want to do it yourself at all, then what? Well, then you remain dependent on the advice of others. Advice that you never really understand, based on an analysis of someone who does not know your situation as well as you do. But you do feel the responsibility for the result. And blaming someone else, well, serious, that doesn't do you any good, because it doesn't make your situation any better. You will see your people and your groups around you staying in endless discussions, without really choosing anything, without doing anything. Endless procrastination and studying everything again, making overviews, listing arguments, hiring an expert again, and so on. And when something is decided, it often remains a compromise to keep everybody on board anyway. But it is a grey middle ground solution that will hardly bring you anything good. After which the whole discussion starts again with a lot of I told yous and if you only had listened to me's. If you're interested, read the detailed descriptions on the website of how I've helped people taking control themselves. And if it appeals to you too, book a personal introductory meeting in my agenda so we can get to know each other. I would love to talk to you. See you soon.